Okay, it's 8:45. This thing say, okay, so I had a 9 a.m. appointment. This thing say Monday through Friday, 8:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. they take a break. How the hell you taking a break? You just got to work. Am I missing something? I mean, I know I don't be working in the regular workforce field, but that seemed crazy. You just got here. And then they take another break at between 11 and 11:30. And then another break at 1:15 and 1:30. And then another break at 4:45 and 5 p.m. And then another break at 7 and 7:30. For real. The question here is, when do y'all actually get the work done? Listen, they on that foolery. It's 8:55. So anyway, I guess we gotta wait for them to take their break. And look, it's another truck right behind me. Like, what they doing? And then they say, oh, don't ring. It say, please push the button once, then be patient until someone opens the gate. How long? Like, how long? I can't get over this 8:45 to 9 a.m. break, though. That's what I'm talking about. And then it's another truck, but it's like, okay. He act like he ain't see that truck right there. Oh, he work here. He better open this gate. Let me see what he talking about. He got the whole uniform on and everything.
Just go past outside.
All right, y'all. Here we go.
Unseasonably warm with high.
So this is what we're looking at. The tanks is like right here probably, but we're gonna have to go in and check in and all of that. So that's what we about to do right now, as soon as I get my paperwork together. Is the 13th. It's the 13th. Put our boots on. And we finna go inside and see what these folks talking about. So we would normally just go to the door that say receiving insurance. See, here go them times again, y'all. Look at this. They got a radio at the door.
We will tell you.
I think we actually supposed to go in the gate. Damn it. Hello? Oh, here we go. Is somebody able to take a tanker?
Yeah, let me see if I can get somebody over here for you.
You want me to just go over there and they get the paperwork there?
No, normally they take care of everything right here.
Oh, okay.
Are you a tanker?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a tanker?
Uh-huh.
You know what you got?
Sodium hydroxide solution.
John should be coming back from break.
Yeah, we'll just have him send him over here.
John, you got a copy.
10223. What is that? See, I 166 on there. Yeah, we'll let him know you're here.
Okay, so just,
Did you sign in?
yes, sir.
All right.
You could probably pull out that.
Yeah.
Near that tank out there, that holding tank?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
They'll
the
put you in the
parking lot.
garage.
Okay.
You just loop back around and back up, and then one of our guys will come out and get you.
Thank you. I don't know, y'all. They seemed a little confused, even though they do this every day. Okay. So basically we're going to this parking lot over here and waiting for somebody to tell us what to do next. All right, we got in there perfectly too. Y'all see that? Okay. So, with that being said, this is the delivery portion. As I said before, when we come to water treatment plants, we don't, we're not the ones to do the unloading, so I won't be able to show y'all that. I had to say that for another consignment. Okay, so here we have the bill of lading. And then we have just the this is for my actual job, so all of this has to get filled out so they know what time I got there, the date, the consignee, and then after whoever unloads me will have to sign right here as well as down here. If I'm dropping a trailer, they sign here, and then all the pickup information here, date, time, and where I'm picking it up from, the bill of lading number, my name, the VIN number of the truck, the VIN number of the trailer, the truck, my ID, driver ID, and the order number that my company has given me for this. So there you have it. Oh, and I signed at the bottom. I don't know if y'all saw that. So I would sign right here, and then the consignee would also sign here as well. And then these are like carbon copies. So it's a shipper version, a consignee version, a driver version. Okay, and then this is what I take back to my company. So I don't ever keep my version because I feel like I don't have to do my job and your job too. Like if you forget to put a triple on my paycheck, that's you. That's on you. So with that being said, it's just a waiting game now. We're gonna have to wait for them to come out and get their shit together. So I hope it don't take too long though to stop burning up my clock, because then that means I'm just gonna get home tomorrow, which is crazy. I mean, you still get paid for it, but I mean, it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? A trip that could be done in one day. It was like, I would say it's about 500-some miles. So like, you can do that in one day. So like a trip that you could do in one day ends up being 2 days because people lacking and it's lazy. So I hope that y'all have a wonderful rest of the day. I'm about to go get me some breakfast since they're not ready yet. And I can show y'all what the breakfast is like. Like I always, so on Sundays, on Sundays, I cook all my food and then I'll bring it with me on the road, because on the road you really just don't have no time to cook. So I can show y'all how I do that. Hopefully I can make this work. Let me try to jimmy this so it'll stay upright. Okay, that's not bad. So let's see. Turn some lights on, because okay, so down here is the refrigerator. It is so lopsided. Down there is the refrigerator, and it has a freezer on the inside as well. Make sure y'all can see, because it's kind of dark back here. But it has a freezer in there as well, and I'll put up a still picture of it in a separate frame so that y'all can see how it looks. Now, all trucks don't have this, but there is a porta potty down here, and this little thing, you just pull it out. You only pee in it. You don't poop in it, okay? You just pee in it. This is a drawer for clothes. This is a drawer for clothes. You got a table right here. And then you have your closet, has a mirror on the inside, and a hanger, a bar for hangers. Okay, so food. So I keep my dishes up top. And here I have my food in there. Got my cup in the refrigerator. So I think I'm gonna have some hot tea today. And there, oh, my tea was leaking. And there is actually a microwave up here. So that's how I'm gonna be heating up my food. Hold on real quick, y'all. My tea was leaking. Like I said, this is just a loaner truck from one of our other terminals, so I gotta make sure I keep this thing spotless. It only has 1,000 miles on it. Oh, so good. So I got chicken and rice, but it's actually Cornish hen and rice. Okay, so I still got my tea in the microwave. So while that's heating up, I'm gonna have to wait to put my food in there. But pretty much that's it. After I leave here, I'm gonna go to the truck stop, for to take a shower and things like that. And then I'm just gonna keep heading on down south. I'm like, ease on down the road. Thank y'all so much. My tea just stopped. I'm gonna throw my food in there and I'm gonna kick back and watch some TV till they come and get me to unload me. Bye. Refrigerator. Here's this lever to open it. And you got your freezer, which I got a piece of salmon in there. I feel like it's not even that cold in here. Let me see. Okay. Probably not gonna eat that fish now because it's probably bad, but I'll find some hungry cat on the road that want that fish. I ain't about to let it go to waste. You see how good that fish was looking? It was a thick piece of salmon. Some cat gonna love to eat that fish. So I'm gonna cook it up. I ain't gonna eat it because it's probably gonna make me get sick. But animals, their stomachs can, take stuff that we normally can't take. So I'm gonna cook it up for them and just feed it to some cat at a truck stop or something. A dog or something. Dogs eat fish? I don't know, but anyway, stop for breakfast. See you later. 1 hour of waiting, we finally get into the dock, okay? So this is gonna be a different type of dock. Normally we would back in, but this one is gonna be a pull-in and it's a garage type. So I want y'all to see what the garage is. I'm glad I had to pull in because the backing into the garage is so hard. Oh my gosh. But here we go.
I'm from Cambridge.
Okay.
South of here. I started out at a grade school. That grade school shut down. We went to another one, and there was a girl named Pam Henson. I'll never forget her.
And she ended up being our homecoming queen. She was a pretty little blonde-haired girl when I was in 3rd grade. She had a Mississippi State Bulldog.
Oh, my goodness.
And I said, "You from Mississippi?" She said, "No, but my mom and dad are." I said, I remember saying, I was just 3rd grade. I said, "That's the most racist state in the United States."
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I knew they was because I watched enough stuff on TV even back then.
Oh, my
read
God.
the books. I mean, they're terrible down
Yeah, they are.
I mean, good God, come on, people. But yeah, I hate Ole Miss. I hate Mississippi State. I don't like any of them. But anyways, that's just it.
Hopefully they'll catch up one day, you know.
Someday.
The light will go off in their head one day.
Yeah, I mean, there's, sure, there's bad people on both sides. But
there is.
Don't just hate them because.
That's like saying, "Oh, I don't like you because you're heavy set." It's stupid.
Right,
You know what I mean? Like, what are you even talking about?
Right. And when I grew up and went all through, when I moved to that same elementary school, I went to school with all the black kids when I was in school.
Yeah, so you were used to it.
Yeah.
Oh my
I
God.
some of them were my best friends. I mean, it's just. And then the government wants to divide us and make us hate one another. And it's ridiculous.
It is.
Just like that Cortez woman. I seen something on MSN. She was already spouting about those commercials last night.
Oh my gosh.
With the little kids.
Yeah.
Jesus doesn't want us to be like adults or something. Be like the kids. Because they were cute pictures and stuff, you know. And she's squawking, that isn't right. And
no, that is right because you got too many kids walking around here acting like grown-ups.
Right. And
you are a child.
And I'm like, listen, you know what? I'd like to tell her one time if I didn't punch her in the face, because she's a Muslim, you know, and so she don't want nothing to do with God. That's what this country was founded on, was Christianity, and, you know.
Did you do that on purpose?
They're messing with the radio. Because when you came in, you hit the little button. It might not have went off in here if they've been having trouble with. But they got a camera up there at the Dock 1 shipping office.
Okay.
And they can see you out there.
So
they can push the button and let you in. But when you hit the button, they probably didn't hear you.
Oh.
So they're trying to get it fixed.
Okay.
They don't really know what they're doing.
Oh my gosh.
All right. I'll see you in a little bit.
All right. Well, okay. That was interesting. You meet people from all over. That's all I'm gonna say. You meet people from all over. Everybody has difference of opinions. Some like Muslims, some don't like Muslims. He talking to a Muslims. You know, and it takes it back to. So growing up, my father, he was Muslim. My mama, she was Baptist, as y'all heard. My daddy was in the military. So I was Baptist while he was gone and all of that. So once I started practicing Islam, I got a whole video where I'm going to do the whole story. But basically, like, I ran into some pretty ignorant, extremist Muslims. So, I mean, they are out there, you know what I mean? So, with that being said, I'm going to just get unloaded and get up out of here. Okay, alhamdulillah, we made it here in one piece, alive. We ate food, we've had drink, we've had sleep. A lot of people haven't gotten that, and that's something to be grateful for, and that's something to thank God for during our next prayer, which is Usher. Yeah. So, and you know, I'm gonna pray for him too. You know, maybe God, you know, Allah can change his perspective around that. I don't know why he pointed out the fact that she's Muslim, but he felt the need to. But I'm getting unloaded, and when I leave up out of here, I'll be sure to get back with you guys.